Welcome, beautiful beings. I want to show you why I'm covering this with Mod Podge. This laser cut before I do anything, because on previous videos I had a problem with this coming off. Like this wasn't sealed, so whatever paint or material or whatever it was coming off on my projects. So I did this side. Now I'm going to do this side. Just put Mod Podge in the crevices. Make sure you get it really good. Like so. Just don't put too much, you have a gulp like that. Make sure you get every single crevice of this around here and around the edge. Like so. I hope that was caught. The thing just came up and said it was low. Battery, I gotta plug my phone in, but just so you know, make sure you get in every single crevice of this side stuff, because it does come off. If you get, like say you already got this done and then you just want to seal it and you're going around it, and if you go in here, because you're trying to get the Mod Podge around whatever you and seal it, it will come off. It will come up and it will come off on your craft, and I just don't want that to happen to you because it happened to me. So, just trying to help you out, but make sure you seal it, and I'll show you. Lay it down, pick it up, and there it is. See? Boom. Okay, I just wanted to show you that. Have a wonderful everything.